IPL treatments are one of our most popular treatments here at Younique Med Spa. They're basically used for reversing sun damage, age spots, and broken capillaries in the face. A typical IPL treatment is also synonymously known as a photofacial. So sometimes people call it IPL, sometimes people call it photofacial, but it's essentially a light-based treatment that helps target browns and reds in the skin and helps rejuvenate the skin slowly over time. A typical IPL series is about 3 to 4 treatments about once a month. They're about 4 weeks apart. The most common considerations for patients who are interested in IPL are generally to help reverse the aging process, mainly brown spots and broken capillaries and redness. So patients who notice a lot of discoloration in their face from many years of sun exposure will notice they have lots of reds and browns in their skin. However, as the IPL improves the reds and the browns in the skin, you'll notice the repetitive treatments of the IPL start to improve the texture and pore size and dullness of the skin, because as the IPL stimulates new collagen with the warmth and the heat of the laser, people will start to notice that not only are their reds and browns improving, but the texture of their skin is improving, their pore size is decreasing, and their fine lines are actually diminishing because of the new collagen that's building from the repeated IPL treatments. The most common areas where IPL is performed is actually the face, neck, and chest. Most people notice the most sun damage on their face. However, a lot of people forget to apply sunblock on their neck and chest, and they'll notice sometimes their chest is even more sun damaged than their face. So those are the 3 areas. Other areas that you can apply IPL, pretty much anywhere on the body. People notice their hands because they drive a lot. They get a lot of sunspots or brown spots on their hands. You can also treat IPL on the arms, and you can also treat IPL on the legs as well. So almost anywhere where there's sun damage, you can actually do an IPL treatment. But the 3 most common areas are the face, neck, and chest. A typical IPL series, depending on how much sun exposure you get after the series is over, usually lasts about 1 to 2 years. So the more sunblock you use after your series of treatments is over, and the more you avoid the sun or stay out of direct hot sunlight, your results will last longer and longer. Unfortunately, as the brown spots form in our skin, even though they're lightened and reversed by IPL or photofacial treatments, the sun can actually slowly turn them back on. So even though patients can have really excellent results with IPL, avoiding sun and wearing sunblock is really the secret to making the treatments last a year or 2 after the series. IPL treatments have been around for decades. The technology has improved with each year, which means the treatments are shorter, they're more efficient, they're safer, and they're faster treatments. An average IPL treatment takes about 20 to 30 minutes, and it's very, very safe. It's basically a filtered light. So we take sunlight, eliminate all the harmful UV rays and all of the harsh rays, and then we basically filter it down to just the positive rays that target and reverse brown spots and reds in the skin, and that's the wavelengths that are delivered. So they're very natural, safe wavelengths that are found in sunlight. They're just concentrated and applied in a very safe manner with the IPL laser. Immediate avoidance of sun exposure after the IPL is very important because your skin is pretty sensitive and the skin is still shedding some of the brown spots. So wearing sunblock and avoiding the sun are very important. The other things that are also important immediately after the treatment and for a few weeks after are avoiding any harsh products on the skin. For example, skin exfoliating products like harsh scrubs. Medicated products such as glycolic acids or retinoic acids. It's really not a good idea to resume those products for at least a week after each treatment because those have pretty strong ingredients that could irritate the skin that's still healing from the IPL. The aftercare for IPL is really about moisture and sunblock. So after an IPL treatment, most people notice their skin is fairly dry and can be flaky, and also it's very sensitive to the sun. So applying a really good moisturizer, keeping the skin hydrated, drinking lots of water, and whenever you are in the sun, applying a good sunblock during the day are really the best aftercare instructions. There's generally no bruising with this procedure. There's minimal swelling with this procedure. It's really more about the sun exposure. A typical IPL treatment will range anywhere from $300 to $400.